All right, it is home tour time. I'm at 1674 Cataract. I'm in the Village of Moultrie Creek. So we're kind of sandwiched between Moultrie Creek and Shady Brook. This is a Avondale courtyard villa. It's on a corner lot. It's a courtyard, so it has an enclosed backyard, also 2-car and a golf cart garage. We are, let's see, we just put in, meaning the sellers, just epoxy the garage floor. And, you know, this has the bells and whistles that the designer kind of courtyards have. QUARTZ countertops, it has LVP flooring, and it is bright and airy on the inside. And it is a glooming day here, but it's starting to get a little nicer. But we needed the rain. So, all right, let's go on in and take a look around and make them an offer they can't refuse. I'm Robyn Cavallaro, I'm a realtor here in Florida. But before we take a look around, I want you to check this out. So if you're looking to purchase a home here in the Villages, Florida, you have to check out my website, robyncavallaro.com. You can register online and begin your MLS search. Well, you can search for homes everywhere in Florida, but it'll enter your information and I can follow along, see where your saved searches are. I can set them up for you. And most importantly, we can keep in constant communication of what is new and coming that matches most of your criteria here in the Villages, Florida. So be sure to register robyncavallaro.com to begin your search. All right, thanks everyone, and let's get back to the video. All right, let's hit it. All right, let's take a little peek around the outside. We have a street light here, lots of pretty landscaping. And see, it's 2-car and a car garage, and you can see it's raining. I gotta get inside, I'm gonna melt. The epoxy floor. Everything will be cleared out when you make the purchase. They have 2 dogs, so they keep them when they're out, they'll keep them in there, but that cage will be gone, the golf cart will be gone, everything will be out of here. And because this is a 1-year build, we have to close July 31st or after that date. And I'm going to drop in the notes below all of the particulars about the bond, the CDD, and all that good information that you need. And this is a year old, so everything's a year old. All right, let's go on inside. There's your entrance into the backyard, right there. Now I've been in homes where they actually have enclosed this space. They'll screen it in and put some chairs out here. It's a little additional outdoor area. We're gonna walk in. And you can see, so I have the lights on in the kitchen and in the dining room here, but in the living room there are really no lights and it's still bright because of all of the window space. Now the back of the home faces west. And I have to shut this drawer. Well, here I want to show you this drawer. I put all my stuff in here, but you have, I'm gonna take this out. Oops. All right, so we have white cabinets and they are soft closure. You have a selection of a Lazy Susan drawers and doors, so there's plenty of space to keep everything. Stainless steel appliances. Have a large pantry on the side. And the floor is a brownish color. It's a light brown with little subtle hints of gray in it. And you do have a lot of extra light here because of the sliding glass door in the eat-in kitchen. And this is one of those spaces where you have 2 places to eat. You have this kitchen table area, you have a big double window there, and the sliding glass doors. And those are actually blackout curtains, so you can make this really dark if you wanted to. And then you can put bar stools there for the eat-off. Now the garage and the laundry room are behind me. So I'm basically standing in the entrance. There's 2 bedrooms and a bathroom through there with a pocket door. We'll go there in a moment. Well, actually, I'm gonna go there now. We'll go into the garage and I'll show you the laundry, but this is a pocket door. And this could be an ensuite if you have someone else living with you or you want to put your spouse in timeout. I just flushed the toilet. That's what you hear running. Tub shower. And there is carpet in the bedroom. So they're using this as an office space. It does have a closet. And then the next room. And all high ceiling. And actually they have the floor plan right here. Avondale 5. Sounds like a name from Logan's Run. You're Red 6. I know I'm dating myself, but that was a cool movie. All right, and there also is a linen closet here for, everyone's always looking for storage space, so you have it. Okay. Take another pan around the kitchen. You have sliding glass doors that'll take you outside, and then a screened-in lanai here. I'm going to go into the corner here so you really get a good feel for, I mean, you can put big TV, like that's a big TV, but you have an idea of what the space looks like from the back of the house. That open door is the garage. You can do a lot of different configurations in this living room. Here, so for example, you could have a sofa up against the windows there, or a bench. You could, again, have a sofa and a small, love seat, oversized chair, or just a recliner chair. And then here, if you have some bookshelves or some really big artwork that looks super cool on that wall. And this is the primary bedroom. Again, very bright and airy, all high volume ceiling and knockdown. This is a queen bed, but you could comfortably fit a king. And you can choose either wall, the back wall or this wall here. There's a lot of space. And dual vanity, lots of places to put your doodads for your hair and cleaning supplies, whatever else you need to put in there. There's LVP flooring, tile shower, separate commode. That's a pocket door. And then a very large walk-in closet. And this is a second home. They're actually going to select another home when we sell this. And again, we can't close until July 31st because this home will be a year old, and that's part of the contract. So if you're okay with waiting till the end of July, this could be a good option for you. Roman shower, which everyone loves. Then we have quartz countertops, 2 sinks, nice mirrors. All right, now let's go take a look in the garage. And they just had this floor epoxied. And there is a mini split in here to keep this garage cool. So if you like to work in here, you want to tinker with your car, do any woodworking, you can keep this room temperature controlled. And we're south of 44. Oh, also here, if you have an electric car, they do have an outlet. Right there. And there's, obviously, it's a big garage. And then interior laundry. And utility sink. So remember, if you're also looking for a pre-owned home, you know you need both MLS and VLS, and don't let anyone tell you differently. I'll have a story about that in another video. All right, I'm gonna take you outside, take a look around. All right, ta-da, here we are. It's raining, so it's gonna be a real quick peek around. All right, back inside, I'm gonna melt. All right, I'm gonna close this video out from my favorite part of the home, the kitchen. There you go. Thank you for joining me on this home tour. If you're interested in making an offer on this home or any home in the Villages, Florida, I'm your girl. All right, I'm Robyn Cavallaro. Until next time, I'll see you.